Welcome to Remedy4's video tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create and update CMDB relationship through data loader. Let's move to the demo part. Let's log into the Remedy4 org. Click on Remedy4 CMDB. Open any instance where you want to create a relationship. Suppose Dell laptop, and you want to create an automatic relationship through the data loader. So if you click on the relationship, there are no relationship exist for this instance. So what we can do, the prerequisite for uploading the data loader is go to start of the computer and search for data loader. If data loader is not installed, you can install it through the org. Now log into the org and give the credential for logging to the respective orgs. Login is successful. Click on next. Select the base relationship. So this is the object where the relationship of CMDB records exist. Give the name of the file. As a prerequisite, we need to export the relationship record so that we will get the format or column names of the base relationship object. Click on save and next. Select all fields. If you want to give any condition, you can add the condition here. Let's see the records. This is the file. So there is only one relationship exist in this org, and this is the columns that we need to use it. So I have exported all the columns, but all these columns are not required. So after modifying this, the Excel file which we need to export for getting the relationship will look like this. So here we are creating a relationship between this instance Dell laptop and HP keyboard. So we need to give as a source, and this is the destination and the type of relationship that we want. So we need to give the source ID. So if you don't know the source ID, we can figure out from here. Click on all tabs and open base element object here. So Dell laptop ID, you can collect it from the URL. Similarly, for the HP keyboard, we have collected the record ID. Now, after taking the record ID, we need to put it in the file under the column name source and destination. So destination ID, we have put the keyboard ID, and the source we have kept the laptop ID, and these are the names of the classes and type of relationship we are creating. Does it has an impact? Yes. And the relation type is source and destination. That's it. These are the class name of the relationship records. So base relationship is a class name. Now we try to import this record through the data loader. So it will be insert operation, give the username and password for the org where we are trying to log in or create a relationship. Login is successful. Let's select object. Object name is base relationship object. Open the Excel file from where we have given the source and destination ID and other relationship details. Click on next. Okay, do the mapping of the fields. Click on next and finish. Once insert of records are successful, then we'll see that there are one successful insert and 0 error. So let's refresh the CMDB tab. We have created a relationship between Dell laptop and HP keywords. So initially there was no relationship exist, but let's check now. You can see the relationship has been created with this instance HP keyword source destination type. Similarly, if you want to update the relationship type, you need to update the Excel file, and then you have to select the update operation from the data loader. This concludes how to create or update CMDB relationship through data loader. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching this video.